brasi ma kwame mumien ka no kure ekwan a NDC abande publicity for effason kwame ntwaye kura kwame ntwaye ekwan ya kwame aban etwa mu NPP aban etwa mu kwame ye bridges ye gutters wo sa ebrim tonto kwan kwame ya ye bibia wi aka se ke mu be finish kwan na fofi anto ata kwame ye omufira bem kwame NDC ababa betwa 1 year and some months kwame ekwan ya aka kran ke se finish no besi ne kwame ni pen te kwa breeze ewa ho ye hiem papa kwame anya sam ketwa ni pe wo kwa breeze wa ho hiem pa kwame sa ebrim tonto kwa
I was a woman about the bag Ghana and CMTV. So, Borman is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend on notification. Then next time, videos of this channel also submit to my camp. Same on the piano. If I'm Mr. President, to from Mr. President, and I just somehow say, Madaroma. Now, Borman is like video, no subscribe to the channel. Come on, my favorite. By chance, you would want to contribute to our studio work, sir. Being it sound, internet, lights, everything. But you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can better was a pound.
Good morning, the king of morning show. Wanke kwame when pure morning drive me na kwame nyankopon no nkese Mr. Sir Evans kwame bi obi a mechia ne yepa kwame mesre eni de ni abrasi ma kwame mumien ka no kure ekwan a NDC abande publicity for effason kwame ntwaye kura kwame ntwaye ekwan ya kwame aban etwa mu NPP aban etwa mu kwame ye bridges ye gutters wo sa ebrim tonto kwan kwame ya ye bibia wi aka se ke mu be finish kwan na fofi anto ata kwame ye omufira bem kwame NDC ababa betwa 1 year and some months kwame ekwan ya aka kran ke se finish no besi ne kwame ni pen te kwa breeze ewa ho ye hiem papa kwame anya sam ketwa ni pe wo kwa breeze wa ho hiem pa kwame sa ebrim tonto kwan kwame so many people na nam so leso aban we neglect wo simple kra kwame etimesere ni die ni obrasi ma kwame regional minister wanabo amwakohene mesere ni die ni obrasi no kwabri east MC kwame munche no ntwo ni kwano na kwame ni pe wo kwabri east so ebo NPP NDC sorry emo mtim be dia ben eni die ni obrasi munche no mun complete kwano ni pe wo no tete ni pe bre kwano so ebrim tonto kwano kwame samre kwame gates na ha sie elikiliki nso toto elikiliki ndi kwame ye hwe atra wo sama kwame yasa ko fata space money yasa de baba ye be gates foforo oh kwame ekoya ka kra bi nke awie nti aban yesre
adwaman su kokoo bo no call for no matter no my 100% but there actually my journey say emra omuti petrol so no omusi a good governance and am ya ti petrol so
indeed aban papaba as a speaker aban papaba
see the bar form no omusi a good governance and near petrol air kosoro no omusi a good governance so name momu no Iran Israel US war in Germany for the ben pa na mbokos where edi ho agoro
o say some time ago a campaign mo no kra na mampanyi e ka say Ukraine Russia war hi emfa Ghana ho ofiri ha no mo kwa 7,000 kilometers we say that by we fire ho be
what's na play mu na o ka say wo call Ukraine na ofiri Accra 7,000 kilometers ansa no akodru no mo ko mo ntokwa den say yesika sem
na ye nyina nto anim say it was a contributing factor and Ghana core crisis in Germany da ben pa na mu bi mu be di no kura ma ye man Ghana
US Israel Iran war ne de e fa ye ho pa e be ha affect
na Ukraine Russia na ne fe ho ma da hwe ni pebu fo no pay
na ba yo de
na sa tuma kan ni nyina so ne say
na me na meka
ne mi anu nyina da
originator of that no wo de ubungo
wo na wo tim to na ho ye mahi die wo mu ne say Ukraine and Russia war no e fa Ghana ho
na fa ye ho
biama bomb to do be say
e to ha bomb to ha
na Israel ne America wo say bomb abeto amasama ya bomb abeto pokwa fitu kwan yo mu ye ya se kwakwa na se kwa na ya ngwa wie
wo say bomb ne ba kwa to flash star house
utiso empare ya wate so enti Ghana fo mesra omaya de hyese mama ye ni na ho na amanyofo de adwe di agura che too much obi timi ka say na Ukraine hwan wo bomb bi abeto Ghana agina bomb abeto ha ansi wan hu sunsun so
Atona bia wo ka bia ma ekuo bi no mu a bibi se nse wadaje. But omu ye nuanom, ye yerenom, ye kununom, ye papanom, ye maamenom. Akyerɛkyerɛfo a wɔ Ghana. Dodoɔ na bɛ abosomi dumiɛnsa. NDC aban ntimi ntua ɔmo ka.
Yewura Mahama.
Bosomi baako, mienu, miɛnsa, ɛnan, akwa dumiɛnsa. Ebi du baako, ebi du mienu, ebi du miɛnsa.
Hey, President Mahama.
And the NDC government, ye ntimi ntua ɔmo ka. And so you say aban papa ba. Economic indicators in engineer show say BBI ye dollar above from petrol above from akyerɛkyerɛ for where the money day.
Wash.
Yentimi ntuamuka.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Sa BBI ba from where BBI ye sika sam here wama ye ho atoyen. Now you want to insert akyerɛkyerɛ for no ntuamuka. Na ya bro ne baye ne atimoden.
Ne kan na da hodo.
Abro baye ne atimoden.
Ne kan na da hodo.
Because we need the entire because of BBI ye.
Jenia kasa.
Aban ne buy aban papa na aba se pre aban. Not yet at a phone to be to Muka.
You can't we also be reset your mind. Oh, be reset your mind now. Be a
If I come out to Nina want Radiano, what you rent. And so boy, what you are. And can you boy about bonnie buyer almost increment 30% about what you are. Wa kwatradia wa fa katnam anso obekọ ba bi obekọ kwatradia no a wa kwatradia no owoma
before second year I like the way
competition
good.
Now I don't know
about telcos no more.
I don't know why the telcos cannot do that.
Telcos no ebi nim.
Why? Mama Ora Sam George in TSC say you can asema obi antan
there
eh a juma you believe says Sam George can do for us.
I will believe you.
I don't think you can ask. And I mean believe he say.
I don't know believe.
He's my minister in charge of communication. I expect him to deliver a certain service.
Okay, who expects it and you will believe it?
I believe
you're different.
The expectations are there, and I believe say our capacity to do it,
sir,
to ensure that certain things will be done right.
Believe
until 2 weeks in Nipa, I mean, we don't have leadership in this country. Debia, and it's not like you call on a particular network and
across
all the networks that in this country.
All of them. And in this thing, you are expecting a minister who is in charge of that sector.
Meanwhile, my point is that Kwame, any single call will be placed. Me phone is here and I'm afraid one, I'm afraid for and I'm afraid TBA and I'm afraid Dr. Prekesa. Even if it's 1 second, me type, me seeker.
Yet call now me person me and hello, cramming to minka. Not to seeker just like that. Why? So for to be now about baby, the telcos are not communicating to us.
They're not telling us anything. And
NCA and carry
in some way.
Ministry so and carry
in some way.
NCA are they immune to questioning?
Because I said they don't.
Nobody is questioning NCA on anything.
I feel saying can we get some George Bar TV3 key point. At least Kobe use the opportunity to address that. Because Saturday, we'll back key point. Non networks, no way caller, the clarity is not there.
Now, aside that, got data boy, I said data boy as Akosro. As Akosro.
And to be in Kanjan is a minister. What you call in this country? You cannot stand on the phone with somebody for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Wabra wunya breakages, unnecessary noise. Very, very unpleasant.
So I have come to realize that NDC as a party, naturally, organically, originally, more attracting kwasiafo. Sebi omo muntimi use o mad, omo low IQ. And party so deliberately take it time and make it conscious effort to recruit too. Sebi omo Jimmy, omo ba social media, metimi akan kwasiasem. No more train you, omo you are no more to omo social media say omo be di atem no omo kan sem fun. Emfa ansem ankrofo posti about NDC party na NDC aban na enko yi emo. Because now, me a video be an amateur how NDC are buying in 1 year pay. About $11.39 billion US. Ye nimu ni omo de aye. Na message obenya aboche na wako video nimu na wa share comment section hono. ne NDC for no mo be comment ye no omo kae ebi se NDC mo obesia da ebi kra say menchire bank ko a NDC aban ne bo obesia ebi nso timi ka say the entire 2025 no NDC aban na amfa any loan agreement and call parliament for approval nti omo bo obesia da che say ignorant comment that say bi yense bi anim comment akoda onim hwe kra make che say jimiesa. But you see, we free education I'm a mom. This is the last time I will do this. Inti muntie na muntie ni. Most NDC more besia that since I'm mobile bem. But a few weeks ago, I told force the finance minister can say under this useless NDC government, so mobile to me tria government workers kakra na just all my kwakobo besia. Now in 1 year, we bought besia 17 billion Ghana cedis. Edi tria abaya juma efo aketria pe. That's it, like paying of government workers' salary. 17 billion Ghana cedis converted by US dollars. We are talking about somewhere 1.7 billion US dollars. But that is not even the point. The Bible tell how NDC are buying about 11.9 billion US dollars a car. Okay? Akufo-Addo efri abem. Akufo-Addo efri abem. Now your debt stock and number 48 billion US dollars. And I mean, no can say your debt stock a free aqua could do 61.3 billion or so US dollars. Yeah, ended 2025 December. December 2025 December.
Look at the kind of water. Mensasa banana no more. Look at the kind of water. Castle Hereford nana no more. Look at the kind of water. Domu and nana no more. In 21st century. 21st century. Fire mamua ye buya. Yenuanomo northness abba be deep positions of power. More. Ironically, when you give them power, instead of them to use it to help their people, omodi yake someone cry. Bekai. Wa bufu mabunfu. Yenuanomo northness. Enye to me, see a more to me, say what the speaker of parliament you, so what the president you, uchemu ye panwa, wa munya positions of power. Ya mwamwa kwenya so munko mukuro mnomko developer, no mo di si dan kase ya rema kase yankran. Enso meni wo mi enu kase ensuo amanfo ne nomo, ensuo amanfo no enum no. Ensuo amanfo ne nomo ne omone na ntwe na enum.
And now Sika involved in this scandal, 11 million chopable Ghana cedis. Ghana for taxes on my teacher, Momo, some of my this useless NDC government, a more 11 million Ghana cedis now quacking for Fubutum, na as a film. Now, Quanya Sika, Efa Sukodin Crofubutum, through the usual chronism, conflict of interest. Any the famous create loot and share a characteristic of this useless NDC government. Omo de be omo ba be man, omo be create normal loot, normal share. Omo de ni omo ya ni se won change the oman sika. Omo tana dem no ma cookie niama, no match oman Ghana sika dim. So basically, sa kwan na the old ways and omo use ya 11 million Ghana cedis. Akwa kudin krofo bobotom na characters are involved a oma bo Ghana for krono we oma di Ghana for dream we Sami Jenfi oye gold board CEO ana ni otosu mienu Stan Logbe currently oye deputy chief of staff onu anso na owner of Wezo Group Company sa Wezo Group Company no omo na Wezo TV omo dia. Na we omo use omo subsidiary bi a yefe no Koreka Ghana Limited and omo di Ghana for dream we na ye nsem na se mame nko nsem no into details na etiase baby a every any baby akwa akoduro na kai se me say epanya asa dream yi efa so by a conflict of interest and a create loot and share and a chronism. Now mobeka ya na na do dan Akufo-Addo aban esi a very big edifice Edema Bank of Ghana. So I dine for na won cry. Am cry for na ham. It is somewhere 2024 and a Bank of Ghana for free on old building and course a new building. Now NDC bar power how more appointed Sami Jenfi as good board CEO no. And as Sami Jenfi yes almost be free on old building ako Bank of Ghana on old building na o free mo no. Now muntie ni you hana create loot and share no. Sa Bank of Ghana office no mu free mo no. A well structured. Building integrity intact. Oma fixing yema won't be chesed bibia ye correct woman. Any company ebitimi aye adwuma wo ma wombre. But Sabi Jemfi said, "Unya 11 million